Let's talk about what a baronetcy is. We're going to go right here through dictionary.com, and I want to show you how important reading comprehension is. Baronetcy, it says right here, is having the rank or dignity of a baronet. That's what we're going to have to figure out what a baronet is. So it says it's a member of a British hereditary order of honor ranking below the barons, made up of commoners designated by Sir before the name baronet. So we're looking at this, and is it somebody good? Is it somebody bad? Is it a commoner? Is it somebody who has a rank? I don't know. Let's look at some of the other definitions. What does it say over here? In Britain, a commoner who holds the lowest hereditary title of honor, ranking below a baron. Now, when you first look at that, if you're not reading this carefully, what you're going to say, a baronet is somebody who has a low title, who has a low level of honor. Wrong, wrong, wrong. It's the person who has the lowest hereditary title of honor. Most people don't have any title of any kind. Most people are not dukes or earls or counts or barons or anything. So having any title at all is kind of a big deal. A baronetcy means the lowest of those titles. It's like having the cheapest Lamborghini. Yeah, it's cheaper than other Lamborghinis, but it's way better than anything else that most people have. A baronetcy just means being a baronet. Just as having a knighthood means being a knight. It's better to have a low-ranking hereditary title. That's a little bit fancier than what most people have, which is no hereditary title at all. Only a 100,000% of people have any kind of title. Of those titles, yeah, the lowest one is baronet, but it's still higher than 99.99% of people in terms of their fanciness and ranking.